Are you ready to transform your English skills and speak with confidence? Today, we're diving into one of the most essential aspects of English grammar, the simple present tense. Whether you're a beginner or looking to brush up on your grammar skills, this video has everything you need to know. From daily routines to timeless truths, we'll walk you through step by step, ensuring you grasp this fundamental aspect of English grammar with ease. In this video, you'll discover simple explanations and clear examples, practical tips for using the simple present tense in everyday life, common mistakes to avoid, and much more. Join us on this educational journey and take your English skills to new heights. Don't miss out on becoming a confident communicator. Watch till the end and start speaking with clarity and confidence today. Please drop a comment below, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more language learning content like this.
The simple present tense is used when we talk about things that happen regularly or all the time. It's like a snapshot of what's happening right now, but it doesn't have to be something happening exactly at this moment. Instead, it's more about habits, routines, facts, or things that are always true. Here's how we use it. 1. For habits and routines, we use the simple present tense to talk about things we do regularly. For example, I wake up at 7 o'clock every morning. She brushes her teeth before bed. 2. For facts and general truths, we use the simple present tense to state facts or things that are always true. For example, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. The Earth orbits around the Sun. 3. For schedules and timetables, we use the simple present tense to talk about future events that are part of a schedule or timetable. For example, the train leaves at 5 o'clock p.m. The movie starts at 8 o'clock tonight. 4. For instructions and directions, we use the simple present tense to give instructions or directions. For example, first, you turn left at the traffic light. Then you walk straight ahead until you see the big building. In the simple present tense, we usually add ens or s to the verb when the subject is he, she, or it. For example, he eats breakfast every day. She goes to school by bus. But for other subjects like I, you, we, they, and plural nouns, we use the base form of the verb without adding anything. For example, I eat breakfast every day. We go to school by bus. So to sum up, the simple present tense is about what happens regularly, what is always true, what's on a schedule, or what you need to do step by step. It's one of the basic building blocks of English grammar.